Is your family mad at you for waking everyone up with your loud, obnoxious alarm clock? Dr. Torpor's double-edged alarm clock gets you out of bed silently. Sick and tired of tossing and turning in your bed because you can't get to sleep? The double-edged alarm clock has innovative AM and PM action. It not only wakes you up in the morning, at night it puts you to sleep instantly. If you don't buy the wonderful new double-edged alarm clock,
you are a fool.
Double-edged, the only alarm clock guaranteed to put you in contact with the infinite.